like madness in season, bracing all like a breaking of reason, with every night lost and every day torn, the drama feeling calmer, so calmer in the storm. Speakers are crying like a forest in the rain. I was so alone with my thoughts and my pain, and the darkness closed like a mouth on a wild night. I'll never be free. The stain of the broken and poor. I can't break what I held and it never was true. In the mirror what I said was a lie to you and me and everything I see and everything I could. Tried so hard to be good for myself, for you, for the hidden and divine, for everything, but I can fail just so many times. When I feel like stopping, at 5 a.m. just cry, shoot copping. The perfect life was enough for you, but never enough to see me through. For all the lies that were spoken in ways, and the way we lived as an affront to the days. Wasn't affront to the things that we cared about, wasn't affront to everything that we cared about.
Ooh, in this darkness, please the world to her. As long as my heart's still beating, as long as she's next to me, as long as this love's still fleeting, because I like her. I'd kill in cold blood, I'd draw my own blood, long as she's there beside me. Life could feel so good, because I like her. Could it be make-believe? Am I just walking through a dream? Haven't felt this way in such a long time. I do believe